Here's 9 ways to make your business stand out from the crowd and get leads. Increase your online presence. In the past, your marketing strategy might have been a newspaper ad or on billboards, but today you have to think outside the box and use Google searches and social media. First, if you don't have a professional website, then you'll want to get one started. Considering Facebook has over 40 million small business pages, you want to stand out by having a website as well as a social media page. Next, you have to keep your target audience in mind as you determine what social media platforms will be best. You can even use paid advertising on social media to stand out. Make sure your social media profiles link back to your business's website in order to build an online presence. Make sure to use hashtags, create contests with prizes, provide relevant and useful content for your posts. Next, get ranked on Google. Any digital marketing professional will tell you that your business needs to be ranked high on Google to stand out. Your aim is to be within the top 3 ranked on Google Maps. Local SEO, or search engine optimization, is so important to steal one of these spots. This is how customers find you on Google's search feature. Next, create a Google My Business account. Make sure you have comprehensive information for your visitors to read about. Use business listing sites and other directories to list your business. And don't forget to encourage past and current customers to leave a review on Google. Have a blog. Content needs to be a part of your marketing strategy, since it's what will attract visitors to your online business. When you write SEO optimized content, that's how you'll attract potential customers who are looking for the keyword that you have on your site. The types of content you can have on your page include guest posts, seasonal posts, how-tos, Q&As, customer testimonials, etc. If you're not comfortable with or don't have the time for blog posts, you can hire ghostwriters who will have SEO optimized content, or you could look into software that will help you save time out of your day. Share away. When you create a blog post, share it on social media and your newsletter. When you share it on social media, this is a great way to get free traffic to your business. Run Google Ads. If you're looking for results fast, Google Ads is a great option. First, figure out your budget for ads before you create one. They also have the benefit of showing up on your local listings as well. Keep in mind that once you stop paying for ads, then the traffic from this method stops. Many choose Google since there's ad building features, detailed performance metrics, and flexibility. Create listings. Check out directory sites and make sure that your business shows up. The great news is that these listings have free options as well. Here are a couple options. Make sure you optimize them with keywords as well. Have reviews, include photos, and fill out the information. Make sure that the information matches what's on your website as well. If you don't, Google will second guess your legitimacy. YouTube. YouTube can help your business stand out from the crowd. This is a great way to gain trust with your potential customers, since they'll be able to see and hear you. Provide them with valuable content, and you can embed your videos on your blog as well. To stand out even more, you can pay for advertising on YouTube. Partner with a local influencer. Your glass business can stand out from the competitors by having a local influencer promote your business. Reach out to those who have a large social media following and can recommend your company. While this isn't free, the business you might receive will be worth what you pay. This is because influencers have a high engagement rates with their followers. Use email. You'll want to have newsletters for your email list. If you don't have time for an email list, you can hire someone to create content for your emails. It's a great way to get high ROI, and many email lists are free until you reach a certain amount of subscribers. Once you create your email list, focus on building it. In order to do this, offer your potential customers what's known as a lead magnet. This is what they'll receive when they give you their email. Remember, big clips can help. Request a demo today and see how you can save time by automating your sales and service pipeline with our software.